Hi, welcome to Genius Lounge. I'm your host, Matt Troutman. Genius Lounge is a place where you can learn about the technology that you already own. So I'm very excited to announce that we're working with Kathy Lipp and the Clutter-Free Academy to bring you this next series of videos about decluttering your digital devices. Kathy's book, Clutter-Free, has been an inspiration for so many people about decluttering their homes and their workspaces. Kathy recently approached me and asked if I would like to teach about decluttering our digital devices, and of course I thought that was a fantastic idea, so here I am. So today we're going to go ahead and get started in getting photos from your Android phone up into the cloud with Google Photos. Now if you're here expecting to see a video about how to get your photos from your iPhone up into the cloud, don't worry, we have a video for you as well. Just click the card up in the corner or down in the description below and we'll get you all hooked up with that. And with that, let's go ahead and jump in. I'm gonna open up my phone and we're gonna take a look to see what photos I've got there. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to open up the Gallery application on my phone. This is pretty standard across Android devices, and Google Photos is gaining a lot more traction. However, it is common to have both the Gallery application and Google Photos on your device. So in Gallery, I can see I've got quite a few different photos. I've got some family photos here from a couple different photo shoots. And then I have some other random snapshots. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna open up the Google Photos app and we're gonna start syncing the photos from my phone up to the cloud. So I'm gonna go ahead and open my applications, scroll down until I see Photos. It's this little pinwheel right here. And here it's going to show me all of the photos that are in my camera that I've taken with my phone. I also see over here that there are 114 more photos that are not displayed. It gives me a brief snapshot here. These are all the same photos that I just looked at in the Gallery application, but now I want to make sure that these get synced to the cloud so that they're safe and sound. So from here, I'm going to tap the menu in the upper left-hand corner, and I'm going to tap Sign In. And so here, I'm presented with a little bit of information. It's going to ask me if I want to back up and sync, which I do, and it's also going to ask what quality I want to upload those photos and videos in. Now you can change the settings here and you can say, I would like original quality or high quality. Original will upload the photos in full resolution, but that does count against your data quota. High quality, you get unlimited storage space, but a little bit of reduced quality. Now the other option here is use cellular data to back up. This is something I don't recommend unless you are comfortable with uploading a lot of data over your cellular plan. Usually you'd want to make sure you have an unlimited plan to be able to do this. So I'm gonna go ahead and keep these settings for now. Go back one level and I'm gonna go ahead and tell it confirm. Now what I see is it's getting my photos, it's gathering a little bit of information, and I see in the upper right-hand corner here, it says backing up. I'm gonna tap that. And I see that it's telling me I've got 119 photos left to back up. Now one benefit to using Google Photos is that once your photos and videos are in the cloud, you can clear those videos and photos off of your device, clearing up space so you can take more. So let's go ahead and take a look on how to do that. Right here at the very top of the Google Photos interface, I see that my backup is complete and I can now clear up 238 megabytes of space on my device. So I'm gonna go ahead and tap that. So it's letting me know that it's going to remove 95 items from my device. I can still get to those at any time within my Google account. So I'm gonna go ahead and tell it free up 238 megabytes and you'll see that it's working to do that and it's clearing those photos and videos off of my device, but they're still stored in the cloud. So that's a quick overview of how to sync your photos with Google Photos. If you enjoyed this video, give us a like down below. Don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell if you want to get notifications each time we post new videos. Thanks so much for joining us. I'm Matt Troutman. We'll see you next time on Genius Lounge.